If you wanna know how to achieve great grades, or you wanna know how to be a successful scholar, keep watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tajaniaberry, and we are back with another freaking video, baby. Cue music. Hey besties, if you are new to my channel, my name is Tajaniaberry and I make content every Sunday, and it's a variety of things. So if you don't know what I make and you want to know what I make, head over to the playlist section of my channel. Also, be sure to visit the community post tab, because that houses all the videos or all the posts on where you vote on which video you would like to see next. And if you have any requests of videos, you can obviously comment on any post. It literally doesn't matter. So I know, and so we know that you want that video. Also follow my Instagram. I also do posts over there. Also follow my Snapchat, because while we're at it, why not let's add all the socials, you know? So if you clicked on this video, you already know what today's video is. You probably voted on this video on my Snapchat, my Instagram, or my community post, because I posted a poll on all three of them. So if you're watching this video, you already know what this is, because you're the winner. You know what I'm saying? Y'all won this video, I guess you could say that. I don't know. Okay, so today I have for you guys 12 college apps, or 12 apps that you need to use to be a successful college student. I'm talking to get a 4.0. I'm talking to get close to a 4.0, or just being on the Dean's list, or just simply having good grades, or what you consider good grades, or what the universe or the world consider good grades.
2 hours later.
We're talking A's and B's over here, nothing less. Okay, so many of you, okay, disclaimer, none of these apps that I'm about to say right now, I am not being sponsored, I am not collabing with them or anything. Like, these are just apps that I personally use, and apps that I have found over the years that have worked for me. So that's it. The first app I would like to mention is Flow. Flow is an app that you can use to track basically how long you're being mindful. So if you don't know, as an iPhone user, if you use the health part that comes with your iPhone, you have a thing called mindful minutes, and it's basically like when you're being your most productive. So when you download Flow, you can connect it actually to your Apple Health, and it will be considered mindful minutes that you've taken out of your day. So with the app Flow, you're able to create a timer, and it's a variety of durations that you can create. Mine is always set on 60 minutes, or sometimes it's set on like 45, but basically you can set a time to how long you want to be studying and how long you will want your breaks to be. You have a section for long breaks and short breaks, which they give you. For short breaks, I believe it's only 5 minutes and 15 minutes, and then for long breaks you have 30 minutes to an hour, I believe. But if neither one of them works for you, you want something longer or shorter, you can obviously customize them. And yeah, it's just basically a timer you can set up while you're trying to study and everything like that, and it keeps time of your break time as well as how long you've been actually studying. Next app you want to have is GroupMe. Now, if you're staying in a dorm, you want GroupMe, because more than likely your dorm hall is going to be using GroupMe to communicate with the whole floor. At my school, we actually did use GroupMe, and that's how our RA was able to contact us if we had an issue, or if there was like any hall meetings or anything like that. Stay up to date with what's going on your floor, because it is very important. If you're not, you're going to be very confused, because I didn't really keep up with my GroupMe last year, and a lot of things took place on my floor. We found holes in the wall. Our floor was flooded. Water was coming in. Get GroupMe. Next, you want to have Zoom. Now, obviously, we've passed the stage of where everybody had to be on Zoom for class. However, in some states, if you're doing an interview with a nearby business and you're trying to obtain a job, sometimes they do have Zoom calls versus you coming in and doing an actual face-to-face interview. Or sometimes if you're trying to talk or get in contact with somebody who's the head of your school, I don't know, some type of administrative, you're more than likely going to be using Zoom. So I'll say download the app now so you don't have to worry about it later. Next is Amazon. Oh my God. First of all, when I say I was going to Amazon faithfully, because every little thing that I found that I did not have for my dorm, I went to Amazon and I got me Prime, because you need to be at my dorm today. Like, I need it today. Y'all, I done bought so much stuff from Amazon. I'm talking rugs, I'm talking school supplies, I'm talking books, everything. I've bought a lot of things from Amazon because it is so essential and it's just there. You know what I'm saying? Now, I will say this. I do not recommend you going to, like, you get your classes or whatever, you know what class you taking, you know what books you need. I do not recommend you going to buy them books. Do not do that. Don't even set yourself up in a position like that, because half the time you're not going to be using them books right after you're done with the class. You're going to be ready to sell them. You know what I'm saying? And obviously that is an option. You know, I'm not knocking it, but honestly, you could just go on Amazon and you could rent your books. rent your books. And sometimes Amazon is not even the cheapest place. So you obviously can go on Safari, find out what book it is, and rent it there. But I got all my books from Amazon, and I was able right after the semester to just go to an Amazon like storefront, whether that was in Kohl's or Whole Foods or something like that, and just give them the book and done. That's it. You out here paying like $900 for books for what? We don't even gotta do that no more. We can use PDFs whole time, but next is for iPad users. I only put this in there because I've been into iPads for a very long time. I don't have one, but I want one. You know what I'm saying? So obviously I'm looking into it and seeing what I like about the iPads and what makes me want an iPad. So I've heard good things about GoodNotes and Notability. I am a great and excellent note taker, okay? I literally sell my notes. If you don't know you can do that, you can do that. You can sell your notes to these websites. For instance, a website called StuDocu. That is what I use to make my money after every semester. I sell my notes because I am excellent at note taking. And if you're an excellent note taker, you're gonna want these note apps or whatever. And so if you're an iPad user, I say get GoodNotes and Notably. If you want to know more about them, because obviously like I said, I'm not an iPad user, if you want to know more about those apps and what the benefits are, I would say go check out somebody's TikTok or go to Pinterest, because that's where I be seeing all the look good calligraphy, note taking, aesthetic videos, whatever. You know, go over there, have it up, do what you gotta do, and see if you actually like the apps. I think I'm from New York. Okay, the next app I want to recommend to you guys is To Do. You open the app To Do. It's going to basically say my day, and it's going to have today's date. And what you do is you add tasks. Once you add a task and you put it up there, every time you complete a task, there's a circle next to it, and you just hit the circle. Hold on. Did y'all hear that? When you complete a task, it completely makes that noise and it crosses out the task and they put it at the bottom. Like say you have a list of 10 tasks, you just hit the circle each time you complete those tasks, and every time I go ding, it crosses out the task and it puts it at the bottom and pushes up all the tasks that you haven't completed yet. I would honestly say that kept me on track a lot. You could change your background, like mine is pink right now. You can do a lot of things on here. I say whatever app I recommend, just play with it. You know what I'm saying? Regardless if you completed the task, every day it just switches out. It's a whole new day, so no tasks are there until you put it there. Any task that you haven't completed, you just click task and it just show you a list. I know I got a lot. Shh, don't say that. Next, you want to get Venmo. Okay, now hear me out. I am a Chase Zelle kind of girl. I am no longer a Cash App girl, okay? But I do have Cash App on my phone. I'm not even a PayPal girl anymore, but I do have PayPal on my phone. One thing I do not have is the Venmo. Now, when you go to these colleges, these universities, let me tell you this. They gonna look at you crazy. You say, all I got is Zelle. They, huh? You saying huh to me. I'm saying huh to you. Like, Venmo? What made you get that? Who told you to get that? Like, I just never used it. And so, like, how you only got one transferable app? At least. You know, at the least. Like, you could have had multiple at the least. Like, it's like you only got Venmo. Get Venmo, y'all. Next is Shop. Oh, if y'all don't know what Shop is, y'all are crazy. Okay, I've been buying wigs. I've been buying outfits, clothes, everything like that, bags and shoes. And Shop basically keeps track of all your tracking numbers. It keep it all in one place. So like, say you buy hair from, I don't know, I See Hair, and then you buy clothes from Shein or clothes from Amazon. Basically, right after you buy that, click Shop, and Shop automatically transfer everything that you just bought right onto that app, and so you see everything when it's supposed to be delivered and everything like that. Now, mind you, if you're not a person that be like clocking when your stuff about to be shipped, you won't be looking at it 24/7. When your stuff makes it to where it needs to be, aka it's being delivered or it is delivered, it makes a doom doom doom. It's like a knocking noise, as if like somebody's outside, but it's coming from your phone. Go doom doom doom, and it basically just tells you that your package is downstairs somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. It's like a reminder. Nobody's actually knocking on your phone, but it's real cute. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. Next is McDonald's. Now, I don't even mess with McDonald's like that, but McDonald's is very close to our school. However, when we go to parties and stuff like that, we be partying real late, and so therefore McDonald's dang near be the only thing that's open. So when we go to McDonald's and we sitting in that line, baby, trust and believe we got that McDonald's app open, because we about to get something free. We about to get a meal but get something free. I recommend y'all as college students, y'all need to save as much money as possible, and if you're gonna be eating like crappy food like McDonald's, at least have the app for it. You know what I'm saying? Like, at least get something free, because they be giving out free cookies, free large drinks, free fries, stuff like that. I don't know if they ever give out no free sandwich now, but I know like the accessories of foods they give out for free every now and then. And not only that, if they're not giving out anything for free, you're definitely going to get a discount on it if you go to the McDonald's app and tell them your McDonald's code before ordering. Next is Google Calendar. When you have Google Calendar, you just put in all the classes you have, what days you have those classes, and what time you have them. And Google Calendar reminds you every single day. It sends you a notification saying you have X, Y, and Z class at this time today. You know what I'm saying? That's what Google Calendar does. Next is Quizlet. Quizlet allows you to make digital flashcards. I'm a more hands-on, I need to write it down type of person, aside from when I am taking notes. Actually in class, I'm a type it person. But if you don't care what note it is, as long as it's a note or a flashcard, baby, get Quizlet. Quizlet also gives you answers, and I know y'all already know that because we was using Quizlet in high school. So y'all, I don't even gotta say too much about her. Get the app though, I can say that. Next is getting Outlook, or simply using your school's email. So every school, obviously, you're going to have a college or university email. As a student, it is your job to check your email at least 3 times a day. I'm talking when you first wake up, midday, and at night. It's a lot of things that can take place between those times. And when I tell you I'm not joking, I'm not joking. It was so many times I done took a bus all the way across campus to get to one class, and we didn't even have class that day. She told us it was on Zoom. But whose fault is that? It's mine, but technically, like, why would you tell us 1 hour before class? They don't care. They don't care. I'm telling you, they do not care. They're getting paid regardless. They do not care. It's your job to check your email morning, midday, and night. Seriously. Like, they do not care. And I promise you, I've done that multiple times. And I promise you, every time I've done it, I've been so mad. Because the class is mad early. And I have to get on the bus that's probably going to be late. So I have to get there really early to make sure I'm there on time. And now I'm at the door looking stupid, knocking on it. And there's nobody in there. And it's just people walking past me like, she just sitting outside the classroom knocking. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to look like that. So check your emails every day. If you don't remember, put it on to do and make yourself remember. Okay, this is the last one. Obviously, those are already 12, but this is 13. Sport Hero. Sport Hero? It's not called no Sport Hero, is it? It is? It's called Spot Hero. What the heck? Why are I Sport Hero? Anyway, Spot Hero. If you don't know what Spot Hero is, Spot Hero basically helps you find nearby parking lots that has parking spaces available. Spot Hero already know what every parking spot is, every parking lot is, and it already knows how many parking spots are available on the app. So, and you also pay on the app as well if it does charge you and it's not a free parking lot. You pay on the app as well. So I say get Spot Hero, and that's my little bonus one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all are very excited for college if you are first time college students, or if it's your first time, like, you know, you about to start college, whatever. I hope you guys are excited. It's going to be a great experience. Don't let nobody tell you nothing different. It's going to be a great experience. Obviously, it's going to be rocky, but everything rocky. Ain't nothing smooth around here. You know what I'm saying? It's your job. Make it do what it got to do. Make sure you get them grades right, because that's what we're here for. We didn't come here to play. We're going to play, though, but we didn't come here to play. That's not our end goal. So we're going to do a little dibble-dabbling in the plan, but that ain't the main goal. So might as well do what you gotta do, get that 4.0, get on the dance list, have good grades regardless, and download these 12 apps. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you like to see more of me, please subscribe. And if you like to know every time I post with that bell, baby, period. Bye, y'all.